So once you have your project and job created, you can go up to the menu and you'll see the existing project and job that are in the main menu here. You also have your favorites tab. So there's preloaded favorites in there. So one is review job, your point manager, key in, measure topo. But if you would like to go in, you can also hit the little pencil here and you can do your new functions in there. So you can actually go in and go delete group. You can go back to the defaults. You can actually go into your function keys also by holding down a function key. You can click on it and go into map controls, for example, and go tap and hold or map or pan. So you can select whatever you want. So if I go zoom extents, there's F2 key and accept. Okay, so if I go back into my menu there, I also have my instrument and my settings. Just if I click on the projects, it brings me back to my project file. If I hit escape, it brings me back to the main menu. Also, if I click on my job there, it brings me into the list of jobs. If I go back into the map view, I also have my move around, zoom in, zoom out, zoom extents. But for this, I'm going to load a Cad Drawn. So I'm going to hit my layers button here. And it'll open up the layer manager here on my right. This is a pull bar, so I can drag over and back my display. And I go into my map files. My map files are DXF files. So you click one to visualize it and click it again with a box around it to activate it. You hit accept and it updates the map here. So you have two objects here in the map. If you want to select anything in the map, you go onto the selector. So you have a hand to move it around. So you can also use gesture control on the controllers. The selection tool is you can actually click on it. It'll hold down the line. So you can click on multiple. It'll ask you what you want to select. If you want to deselect anything on the screen, you can just double click on the screen. You can move the pan around. You can hold down the zoom and zoom window. You can zoom out, zoom extents, 3D orientate, so orbit around, all different views, top view, and then layers again if you want to turn off your drawn. You can also drop down the Cad Drawn and see what layers are in there and turn on and off what you want. You can also attach multiple Cad Drawns also. The last one is in your settings. So you can display what you want to customize your display. So you can go into settings. You can display whatever you want, color labels, different font, map orientation, create node points, for example. If I click on that, display color gradient for surfaces and then your models as well. So you can have load your 3D models. So if I accept that, create noded points already for me. If you go into settings again, you can also have a Cad Toolbar for your measuring your lines, and you can also have a snap to. So snap to will create your midpoints, endpoints, intersection points, PIs, and your centers. So if you didn't have the ability to do these node points, you can create them here also. So that's your basic intro and of your display screen and the settings on your display. Thank you.